If you're a health nut, you need to watch this. Your liver is one of the most vital organs in your body, and maintaining its health is crucial for your overall well-being. Whether you're someone who loves to exercise regularly, or someone who is very particular about eating healthy food, understanding the early signs of liver problems can make a huge difference in your life. So let's dive deep into the early signs that your liver might be in trouble and what you can do about it. Your liver's health is crucial. Let's dive in. The liver is responsible for many essential functions, including detoxifying harmful substances, producing bile for digestion, and storing vitamins and minerals. When your liver is not functioning properly, it can lead to a host of health issues. So it's important to be aware of the early signs that your liver might be struggling. Here are 12 early signs that your liver might be dying. Sign number 1. Fatigue that won't quit. Feeling tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep, can be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. When your liver is not able to filter toxins effectively, it can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in your body, which can make you feel constantly exhausted. This type of fatigue is different from the usual tiredness you might feel after a long day at work or a strenuous workout. It's a persistent, overwhelming sense of tiredness that doesn't go away with rest. Feeling exhausted all the time? If you find yourself needing to take frequent naps during the day or struggling to stay awake during meetings or social gatherings, it might be time to pay attention to your liver health. Chronic fatigue can be a sign that your liver is not able to keep up with the demands of your body, and it's important to address this issue before it leads to more serious health problems. It could be your liver. Number 2. Jaundice. Jaundice is a condition where your skin and the whites of your eyes turn yellow. This happens when there is a buildup of bilirubin, a yellow pigment that is produced when red blood cells are broken down. Normally, the liver processes bilirubin and excretes it in bile. However, if your liver is not functioning properly, bilirubin can build up in your blood, leading to jaundice. This is a clear sign that your liver is in trouble and needs immediate attention. Yellow skin or eyes. If you notice that your skin or the whites of your eyes are turning yellow, it's important to see a doctor right away. Jaundice can be a sign of serious liver disease, such as hepatitis or cirrhosis, and early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for preventing further damage to your liver. That's a big red flag. Don't ignore this symptom, as it can indicate that your liver is not able to process and eliminate toxins effectively. Early intervention can help prevent further liver damage and improve your overall health. 3. Swelling in your legs or ankles. Swelling in your legs or ankles, also known as edema, can be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. When your liver is not able to produce enough proteins, such as albumin, it can lead to a buildup of fluid in your tissues, causing swelling. This can be particularly noticeable in your lower extremities as gravity causes fluid to accumulate in your legs and ankles. Your liver might be struggling. If you notice that your legs or ankles are consistently swollen, it's important to see a doctor to determine the underlying cause. Edema can be a sign of liver disease, heart failure, or other serious health conditions, and early diagnosis and treatment are essential for preventing further complications. 4. Nausea or vomiting. Feeling nauseous or experiencing frequent episodes of vomiting can be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. When your liver is not able to filter toxins effectively, it can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in your body, which can cause nausea and vomiting. This can be particularly concerning if it occurs frequently and is not related to a specific illness or food poisoning. Your liver could be in trouble. If you experience persistent nausea or vomiting, it's important to see a doctor to determine the underlying cause. Liver disease can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body, which can cause a range of symptoms including nausea and vomiting. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent further liver damage and improve your overall health. 5. Dark urine. If you notice that your urine is consistently dark in color, it could be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. Dark urine can be caused by a buildup of bilirubin in your blood, which is a sign that your liver is not able to process and eliminate toxins effectively. This can be particularly concerning if it occurs along with other symptoms of liver disease, such as jaundice or abdominal pain. 6. Pale stool. If you notice that your stool is consistently pale in color, it could be a sign that your liver is not producing enough bile. Bile is a digestive fluid that helps break down fats and is responsible for giving stool its normal brown color. When your liver is not able to produce enough bile, it can lead to pale or clay-colored stool. This can be a sign of liver disease such as hepatitis or cirrhosis, and it's important to see a doctor to determine the underlying cause. 7. Abdominal pain, specifically on the right side. If you experience persistent pain or discomfort in the upper right side of your abdomen, it could be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. This type of pain can be caused by inflammation or swelling of the liver, which can occur with liver disease. It's important to see a doctor if you experience persistent abdominal pain, as early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent further liver damage. 8. Itchy skin. Weird, but true. Itchy skin can be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. When your liver is not able to filter toxins effectively, it can lead to a buildup of bile salts in your skin, which can cause itching. This type of itching is different from the usual itching you might experience from dry skin or an allergic reaction. It's a persistent, intense itching that doesn't go away with moisturizing or antihistamines. If you experience persistent itching, it's important to see a doctor to determine the underlying cause. Itchy skin can be a sign of liver disease, such as primary biliary cholangitis or cirrhosis, and early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for preventing further liver damage. 9. Loss of appetite. Not just a mood swing. If you notice that you have a decreased appetite or are losing interest in food, it could be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. When your liver is not able to process and eliminate toxins effectively, it can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in your body, which can affect your appetite. This can be particularly concerning if it leads to unintentional weight loss or malnutrition. 10. Easy bruising. Your liver helps clot blood. If you notice that you are bruising easily or have frequent nosebleeds, it could be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. Your liver produces proteins that are essential for blood clotting, and when your liver is not able to produce enough of these proteins, it can lead to easy bruising and bleeding. This can be particularly concerning if it occurs along with other symptoms of liver disease, such as jaundice or abdominal pain. 11. Confusion or memory problems. If you notice that you are having trouble concentrating or are experiencing memory problems, it could be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. When your liver is not able to filter toxins effectively, it can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in your blood, which can affect your brain function. This can be particularly concerning if it leads to confusion, disorientation, or changes in your personality. Your brain needs a healthy liver. If you experience persistent confusion or memory problems, it's important to see a doctor to determine the underlying cause. Liver disease can lead to a buildup of toxins in your body, which can affect your brain function and overall health. Early diagnosis and treatment can help prevent further liver damage and improve your cognitive function. 12. Chronic fatigue, a major warning sign. Don't ignore these signs. Chronic fatigue can be a sign that your liver is not functioning properly. When your liver is not able to filter toxins effectively, it can lead to a buildup of harmful substances in your body, which can make you feel constantly exhausted. This type of fatigue is different from the usual tiredness you might feel after a long day at work or a strenuous workout. It's a persistent, overwhelming sense of tiredness that doesn't go away with rest. Take care of your liver and it will take care of you. Your liver is one of the most important organs in your body, and maintaining its health is crucial for your overall well-being. By being aware of the early signs of liver problems and taking steps to address them, you can help prevent further liver damage and improve your overall health. So make sure to eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and see a doctor if you experience any of these symptoms. Your liver will thank you. Now that you know the early signs of liver trouble, it's crucial to understand the steps you can take to protect this vital organ. The liver is one of the most important organs in your body, responsible for detoxifying chemicals, metabolizing drugs, and producing proteins essential for blood clotting, among other functions. Without a healthy liver, your body cannot function properly. So let's dive into some practical and effective ways to keep your liver in top shape. First and foremost, let's talk about diet. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of liver health. Your liver processes everything you eat and drink, so what you consume directly impacts its well-being. First, eat a balanced diet. This means incorporating a variety of foods that provide the nutrients your liver needs to function optimally. Plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains should be staples in your diet. These foods are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support liver health. Avoid high-fat foods, especially those containing trans fats and saturated fats, as they can lead to fatty liver disease. Instead, opt for healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Next, stay hydrated. Water is essential for your liver to function at its best. It helps flush out toxins and waste products from your body, reducing the burden on your liver. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Third, limit alcohol consumption. Alcohol is one of the most common causes of liver damage. When you drink alcohol, your liver works hard to break it down and remove it from your bloodstream. Too much alcohol can overwhelm your liver, leading to inflammation, fatty liver, and eventually, cirrhosis or liver cancer. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. For men, this means no more than 2 drinks a day, and for women, no more than 1. Fourth, exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is not only good for your overall health but also for your liver. Exercise helps you maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for preventing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. NAFLD is a condition where fat builds up in the liver, leading to inflammation and damage. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, each week. Fifth, avoid toxins. Your liver is responsible for processing and eliminating toxins from your body. Exposure to harmful chemicals, such as those found in cleaning products, pesticides, and industrial solvents, can damage your liver cells. Whenever possible, use natural cleaning products and avoid unnecessary exposure to toxic substances. Additionally, be cautious with medications, as some can be harmful to your liver. Always follow the recommended dosages and consult your doctor before taking any new medications. Sixth, get vaccinated. Vaccines for hepatitis A and B can protect your liver from these dangerous viruses. Hepatitis A is typically spread through contaminated food and water, while hepatitis B is transmitted through blood and bodily fluids. Both can cause severe liver damage and even liver failure. Getting vaccinated is a simple and effective way to protect yourself from these infections. Seventh, practice safe sex. Hepatitis can be transmitted through unprotected sex. Using condoms and practicing safe sex can significantly reduce your risk of contracting hepatitis B and C, both of which can lead to chronic liver disease. Eighth, avoid illegal drugs. Illegal drugs can cause severe liver damage. Many drugs, including heroin, cocaine, and methamphetamine, are toxic to the liver. Sharing needles or other drug paraphernalia can also increase your risk of contracting hepatitis B and C. If you use drugs, seek help to quit and protect your liver from further harm. Ninth, get regular medical checkups. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help detect liver problems early when they are most treatable. Your doctor can perform blood tests to check your liver function and screen for liver diseases. If you have risk factors for liver disease, such as a family history or a history of heavy alcohol use, it's especially important to get regular checkups. Early detection can save your liver. 10th, manage your stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect your liver. When you're stressed, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol, which can lead to inflammation and damage to your liver cells. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as through meditation, yoga, or talking to a therapist, can help protect your liver. Remember, taking small steps today can lead to a healthier liver tomorrow. Making even minor changes to your lifestyle can have a significant impact on your liver health. Start by incorporating one or two of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. Over time, these small changes can add up to a big difference in your liver health. Take care of your liver and it will take care of you. Your liver is a resilient organ, capable of regenerating and repairing itself when given the chance. By following these tips and making liver-friendly choices, you can support your liver's health and ensure it continues to function optimally for years to come. Remember, your liver works hard for you every day, so it's important to give it the care and attention it deserves. In conclusion, protecting your liver involves a combination of healthy lifestyle choices and preventive measures. From eating a balanced diet and staying hydrated to getting vaccinated and managing stress, there are many ways you can support your liver's health. By taking these steps, you can reduce your risk of liver disease and enjoy better overall health. So, start today and make liver health a priority in your life. Take care of your liver and it will take care of you. A healthy liver is essential for a healthy life, and by following these tips, you can ensure your liver stays in top condition. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So start making liver-friendly choices today and enjoy the benefits of a healthy liver for years to come. Let's dive into the kinds of foods that can give your liver a boost. The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body, responsible for detoxifying our blood, producing essential proteins, and aiding in digestion. Keeping it healthy is crucial for overall well-being. Fortunately, there are several foods that can help support liver function and promote its health. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you can ensure that your liver remains in top shape and continues to perform its essential functions efficiently. First up, leafy greens like spinach and kale. These greens are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for liver health. Leafy greens are known for their ability to neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides that may be present in our foods, thus acting as a natural detoxifier for the liver. Including a variety of leafy greens in your diet can help cleanse your liver and improve its overall function. These are packed with antioxidants that help detoxify your liver. Antioxidants are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a condition that can damage liver cells and impair their function. By consuming foods rich in antioxidants, such as leafy greens, you can help reduce oxidative stress and support your liver's ability to detoxify your body. Next, garlic. It activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. Garlic is a powerful superfood that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains sulfur compounds that are essential for supporting liver health. These compounds activate liver enzymes that help your body flush out toxins and waste materials. Additionally, Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can protect the liver from damage and improve its overall function. Including garlic in your meals can be an easy and effective way to support your liver health. Third, berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. They are high in antioxidants and can protect the liver from damage. Berries are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for liver health. The antioxidants in berries, such as anthocyanins, help protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, berries have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its overall function. Including a variety of berries in your diet can help support your liver health and protect it from damage. Fourth, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Fatty fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for liver health. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its overall function. Additionally, they help reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity, which can prevent the development of fatty liver disease. Including fatty fish in your diet can be an effective way to support your liver health and improve its overall function. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce liver fat. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that your body cannot produce on its own, so you must obtain them from your diet. They play a crucial role in maintaining liver health by reducing inflammation, improving insulin sensitivity, and reducing liver fat. Including fatty fish in your diet can help ensure that you get enough omega-3 fatty acids to support your liver health and improve its overall function. Fifth, nuts. They provide healthy fats and antioxidants. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants that are essential for liver health. The healthy fats in nuts, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its overall function. Additionally, nuts are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, that can protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Including a variety of nuts in your diet can be an easy and effective way to support your liver health. Lastly, green tea. It contains catechins, which improve liver function. Green tea is a powerful beverage that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is rich in antioxidants, such as catechins, that can protect liver cells from damage and improve their function. Additionally, green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its overall function. Including green tea in your diet can be an easy and effective way to support your liver health. Incorporating these foods into your diet can make a big difference in liver health. By including a variety of leafy greens, garlic berries, fatty fish, nuts, and green tea in your diet, you can support your liver health and improve its overall function. These foods are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats that can protect liver cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and improve liver function. Making these foods a regular part of your diet can help ensure that your liver remains healthy and continues to perform its essential functions efficiently. Remember, a healthy liver is key to overall well-being. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, producing essential proteins, and aiding in digestion. Keeping it healthy is essential for overall well-being. By incorporating these liver-friendly foods into your diet, you can support your liver health and improve its overall function. So, make sure to include a variety of leafy greens, garlic, berries, fatty fish, nuts, and green tea in your diet to keep your liver healthy and functioning at its best.